Hi, welcome again. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this flower. For making this flower, we are gonna need white crepe paper, yellow crepe paper, green tape, metal wire, and then glue gun, hot glue. So let's get started. I'm gonna take my white paper here and then cut out a little rectangle. You can do whatever size you want according to the size of the flower that you need. So cut it out like this, and now we got the rectangle here, and then we are gonna cut the end like this, make a sharp end at the beginning, and then the base shape can be like this. So we have our petal here, and then we are gonna take our metal wire here and then make a shape like this at the end, and over here now we have the shape here, you can see, and then stretch the middle. Yeah, that's our first petal. So you guys need two sides of the petal. So one has to be the bigger one, and the like a medium size for the second petal. And the next step we need is to cut out another white section. It needs to be a little length, like this, and then make little cuts here. So we have like this, and then twist each of them. Take each strands one by one and then twist by the end, so you'll get this shape. We actually need 3 of this, like one in yellow color and 2 in white, and one white goes at the middle, and the second one is the yellow of this thing, and then the last one again white. So we have it here. Yeah, now we can start doing our flower. As I told you guys earlier, I have one white here and one yellow here, and then 2 white here. I'm gonna take the first white, the smaller one, the one with the smaller strips at the end, and then I'm gonna glue it and then glue it like this, and then secure the end. And then next, take the yellow paper here and then glue it like this. Secure the end then, and take the next white we had, do the same. Each petal size, like we have 2 petal size, right? So the 2 shape need total 6 petals in total. So 6 of smaller one, and then 6 of the larger one, lower size you have, so total 12. And this goes the center, so do it like this, and then we are gonna take our the first size of the petal and then paste it. So we have our petals here, so we are gonna take our first petal and then glue at this end here. It gets so messy using the glue gun that you have, like a spider web. Paste one by one, create the shape of our flower. Always believe in trust the process. It doesn't look like to be perfect at the beginning, but trust the process. I still have a lot of things to do with this flower. So we have finished with our first size. Now this is the shape of our flower. And then we are gonna do the same with the second size. I'm gluing it like this. You guys can see. And then we are gonna tape this stem with green tape. I have my green tape here. So I'm gonna take the end and then tape it. There we have flower. And then what we're gonna do, the last final step, is carve out the shape of our petal. So we are gonna take the metal wire that we had. I had it somewhere. I'm gonna take this end of the first flower that I had and then do it like this. Never mind, let's get more messy. Don't do that. Like another way if you have one. And then stretch out the middle. Make it more space at the inside. Open up each petal with your finger. Yeah, here we have our flower. Hope you guys like this one. I'm gonna join these two together. Yeah, I still have few of the glue gun stuck with the flower, which make it messy. Clear out everything that you have like that, and then we have it here. Thank you.